a very young age, you should build your resilience and basically never give up. Whatever happens, understand that it's a learning process, it's a journey. It is not like one experience can define what you are or what your professional career is. So never ever give up, however tough the situation may be. Sleep it off, try again the next day. Just be very resilient towards tough situations. You have to have a go-getter attitude. You have that positive self-talk with yourself. Very harsh on ourselves as people or maybe as women, and we're constantly criticizing ourselves and evaluating and overthinking, and that just leads to so much underconfidence. But I think we should be a little more kind to ourselves and push ourselves to go achieve what we want. Consistency, you have to be consistent, and consistency has to come at an early age. Try that every day, give it that effort. If it's not worked out on one day, again go the next day and try it out. If you're contributing to a certain thing or doing something, make sure that you are doing it consistently. Gain as much experience as you can at a young age. We're so moldable at a young age that whatever experiences you get, you will learn from it, and the confidence that you get from those experiences, it is unmatched. This has helped me in a way because when I was in college, a lot of my friends and my peers would go and hang out post college hours, and for some reason that never interested me. It wouldn't excite me to do that every single day. I love hanging out, I love socializing, but not every single day for hours and hours. So I automatically seeked and was looking for something that gave me a new experience or taught me something new, and that's when I ended up participating in road track clubs in college. I ended up working with another company. They were very small roles, but the amount of confidence it gave me, the amount of exposure it gave me, I cannot compare it to anything else. And that's the reason that when I had to start at an early age, I was very confident of myself because I had already got a lot of my groundwork done in my college days. I'm not saying you have to be the other extreme and work like a mad person. If you really want to get that confidence at an early age, then you have to really put yourself out there in different situations and give yourself the exposure.